Thank you.
Good job. So have you had a rehearsal yet?
No. I'm the only piano player on the Wind Symphony, so they already gave me the sheet music.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you for sending. I got your email. Oh, you know Eric Whitacre, the composer?
No, but my Wind Symphony teacher showed us the original meaning of like what the music was going to be for.
Oh, good. He's from Las Vegas.
Wait, he's from Las Vegas?
He's a graduate of UNLV. Yeah. Isn't that exciting?
Do you know him?
Yeah, I know him. He went to school right before I did there. Yeah, and I played a lot of his stuff when he would come back and have our choirs sing it. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. He lives in London now. He's like a composer rock star. So, yeah, he writes a lot for choirs and he writes a lot for wind orchestra. So that's really cool that you guys are going to do an Eric Whitacre piece.
Yeah.
Tell him you are taking the class, the composition.
Oh, pero eso no es parte de esto. Along with Wind Symphony, I'm also taking a composition class.
Oh, good. Awesome. I love it. Good. So that's exciting. You want to work on the Seal Lullaby today?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay. All right. I have the music, so yeah, let's do a little bit of that one.
I already got the majority. I just wanted to ask about where I need to clean up a bit, like the notes.
Okay. Yeah. Well, let's hear what you have so far. Uh-huh. Yep. Can you play the last two measures one more time?
Yes, sir.
Let's do that. Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Pretty good start.
Thank you.
It's pretty, right?
Yeah.
Nice chords. So on the last measure, left hand is a tie. B flat, E flat, and G. So it's the same as measure before. So and your left hand just holds. Yeah, it's not a G minor, E flat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Other than that, you learned like most of all of the other notes all right. Good job. It was just that last chord. For rhythm, RHYTHM. let's look at measure 63. Is 16th, then dotted 8th. Let's see if I can highlight it. I'll put it in this one. That one.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will sound like short long. Yep.
And the thing. Sorry.
That same rhythm is measure 15, 16, 17, 18. Measure 18.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Then we just need this one. Measure 45. Fermata. Looks like this. That pink.
The circle over the arc over the line, right?
Yeah. So hold it. Yeah, in Italian, it means like to stop. And then there's one in the left hand. So for you, that will mean watch the conductor. Otherwise, you'll get lost going into rehearsal D. So I always like to put a little pair of eyeglasses or something to watch the conductor. I know, I have to look up there. Same thing. There's one more fermata. Measure 62.
Okay.
That one especially, because if you look at measure 62, right next to the fermata, it's got a little, it's like, it looks like a comma. Right? It looks like a comma. So the music actually stops, and they take a breath usually. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah. So you have to put a little time. That one will sound measure 62. Yeah, and you can lift up the pedal, lift up everything, and then restart on beat number 3. Good. All right, that's notes and rhythms. All right, let's look at some technique for measure 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 24. Let's just play the right hand. Let's do that left hand. All right. Yeah, so a lot of parts, right? Because you have 2 parts in your right hand, and then you have 2 and sometimes 3 parts in your left hand. Like the whole first page, you're just playing broken chords, and then all of a sudden you got like all these notes. So you can just practice hands separately for that. Uh-huh. Good. Okay, now let's look at, there's one more technique. Oh, these little grace notes. Like measure 30.
The hard one that hits me the most is the 41, the one on 41.
Yeah. So 41. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So fingering, I do 2, 3, 2, 1. And then you're in the pedal. 2, 3, 2. 2 and 2, 1. Because you can get to the 1 and the 5. So that one, okay, let's see if I can get it on the screen. Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna highlight it because I can't see it. All right. Two, 3 on the grace note, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then jump to your octave.
Yes, sir.
Let's try that. Maybe you can get into it for measure 40. Good. And then you've got that same one at measure 57. Kind of the same type of grace note. Dug-a-dug. Yeah, what if you try 1 on C and 4 on B flat?
Wait, 1 on C?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. Then measure 62. Are you not playing the bottom note of the right hand?
Okay, I'll work on that. It's just a little confusing with the notes missing on the part where there's crossed outs on there.
Yeah. Oh, did somebody else cross those out?
Yeah,
Somebody probably with small hands.
or probably just didn't want the notes in there.
Yeah. So they're nice little octaves, you know? They'll fit because you have big hands. Yeah. Right. You got it. Okay. Let me hear left hand by itself in measure 63. Yeah. Try 5-2-1, 5-2-1. That way you get enough stretch in between your first and second finger. And then it will be 5-2-1 again in measure 64. 5-2-1, 5-2-1, 5-2-1. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to go cover a lot of ground.
Yeah.
5 on C and then 5 on A flat, so you can get your thumb all the way up to that treble C. Let's do it one more time and then go into the G. Jump. Yeah. So you have to jump from measure 63 fast and land soft in measure 64. Jump fast, land soft.
Oof.
Yeah, that's it. Because if left hand is solid, the right hand will be easier to do that rhythm. So yeah, that was a good spot to work on. What does loco mean? Vocabulary of the day.
Uf. Sí, pero es uno especial a italiano. It's not crazy, but locomotive, something under those. It changes?
It means, yeah, I know. In Spanish, it's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Italian is loco is to play as written or come escrito.
Oh, okay.
So usually you'll see it when you see an 8VA somewhere, like measure 70. He's writing 8VA for the right hand, but he just put in parentheses loco for the left hand so that you know it's still in the bass clef and it's not up the octave. There's a couple of those. Let's find one more. It's over on like, oh, here's a perfect example. Measure 35.
Okay.
See, the right hand's playing up there, 8V8, and then it jumps down, way down. Yep. Good. Any other questions?
Actually, I have a few
Sure.
for the set measure 24 and 25.
Yeah.
On the right hand, I have a question. Like on measure 24, it shows the A regular, but on the 25, it marks it as A flat. Does that mean I keep it as regular because the A flat is flat on the flat section?
Oh, yeah. So in measure 24, it's A natural. It's an accidental. But because measure 25 is a new measure, it will be all A flats.
Okay, so no change.
No change.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure because I wasn't sure if I was doing that right or not.
I don't know why he even wrote that A flat in there. That might just be a courtesy. But sometimes it's more confusing. He didn't need to write it, right? Because it's in the key signature.
Yeah.
What else?
Hold up. Section. There was one other section I remember. Oh yeah. Now I remember. It says molto legato. What would the beats what would the notes measure would be? Because I know it's 3/4, but like what would the number for the metronome be?
Oh yeah, I was gonna think about that too.
Because I know rubato means like it changes depending on the tone.
Yeah. So rubato, the tempo fluctuates a lot, right?
Yes.
Like Chopin. So he wants it to be more simple. So it doesn't really have a lot of rubato. It kind of stays the same tempo once it starts. Because it's a lullaby, right? It's kind of a evening song. Let's see. I'm gonna figure out what I think. Okay. I wouldn't go any faster than that, and that was 63. So I would say you could even do 60 to 63 beats per minute. That was a good question.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, that gives you a good start for that one. You have Southern Harmony also later,
Yes.
and then Dance Movement by Philip Spark.
Yes. I think. Wait, no. I think they already have a harp player for that, but
What about this John Williams, March of the Resistance?
they still haven't announced who's going to be the piano player for that one. They haven't given anyone the sheet music.
That's from Star Wars, right?
Yep.
Aha! I hope you get it.
I hope I do too. It's just I don't know if I'm going to be able to.
Oh my gosh, I love John Williams. He's like the best movie composer ever.
Yeah, he made so much music.
Wow, but they haven't got the part yet. Okay, so when they get that, we really have to work on it hard. Yeah, okay. And then when are we meeting next time? I think in 2 weeks.
Yes, I think 2 weeks.
October 23rd.
Hold up. Let me check my calendar.
Okay.
Probablemente no vaya a poder.
Why?
Juego probablemente.
You are sure?
¿Sábado esa semana?
I don't know. I think you can make it. Let's make some.
I'm going to try to make it.
Okay.
You don't have. Same time will be fine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for accepting Emmanuel again.
You're welcome. Yeah. Good to see ya.
Yeah, good to see you too. I think he will be fine for. You said October
23rd.
23.
Todavía no está.
No, you will be fine. You see?
Okay.
This is the last day. Soccer.
¿Quién sabe?
He's in soccer now. So yeah, it will be great, I think.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
October 23, same time. Same
one.
Yeah. I will send you the payment for the 2 weeks now. It's fine?
It's good.
Altogether?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's fine. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. All right, you guys have a good weekend.
You too.
Thank you, Mr. Baker. Goodbye.
Bye.